I'm receiving the message, in a crowded room, I would choose you. Like, in a crowded room, I only see you. There's someone here who's heavily thinking about you, like spending a lot more time than usual thinking about you. You might have pulled back your energy from this person or from this connection, because it feels like their energy is actually leaning more towards you now. So maybe they already are reaching out to you, but if not this person, they are reaching out to you. Like it looks like it's manifesting in a physical way. Yeah, we do have the Magician and the Temperance card coming out. Okay, so fire signs, water signs could be significance here. And the Magician card, interesting. There's something really powerful about this love connection. There's something really powerful that happens in the world when the two of you come together. I don't know, it feels like you, like, how do I say this? You have power over this person, is what it feels like. Like, maybe they haven't admitted this to you. Maybe they even have. It's like significance in them wanting you to remain in their lives. They feel like they do something better when they're with you. This is somebody who feels like they rise into greater power in love when they are with you. I don't know why, but I get the sense that there's something standing in the way of this connection for some reason. And with the Temperance card here, you're doing a really good job of staying kind of like grounded within yourself, because I feel like with the fire and the water, there's more than likely a lot of ups and downs within this connection. A lot of highs and lows is something that you might have experienced here. But it feels like you're kind of almost in a way above it all, or you're able to observe it all. Or maybe this is, you know, a message for you that you are being asked, like God is asking you to observe this love connection rather than be so in it right now. Like you don't need to be overwhelmed by it anymore, is kind of the energy that's coming through here, because maybe in the past this has overwhelmed you. With the Magician card here, I get the sense that you, like, I don't know, it just feels like you're the one running the show here. But this person's love for you, like the energy that they feel for you, it almost feels as if like they can't help it. Like it's overpowering them in a way. God, can you clarify with one more card, this love connection, what you want us to know? We have Judgment. Judgment's being called. And Queen of Cups on the bottom of the deck. Love this. Yeah, again, this like flow state, like not letting yourself get dragged into it, but rather rising above it keeps coming through here. Like you are meant to rise above this connection. So this could be, honestly, just a chance for you to prove to yourself that you are no longer the person that you once were, and that you have a greater strength of power within yourself. Like empowerment keeps coming through here for this love. Like you're meant to just dance. You're meant to dance in this love, like float through this love connection. Like you're not meant to be tied down in love, okay? And I feel like that's this judgment call coming through here. It's like, hey, wake up. Like you don't need to feel weighed down by love. And it's all in your mind too. Like you can be provided for in so many ways. Like you do not need to commit yourself to one love right now, because no one, and this is very specific, so take it as it resonates, no one has come forward to you and given you the reason why, as to why you should commit yourself, like your magic, your powerful magic, your powerful love energy. No one's given you that reason why. And this feels like a power move, like something that you're meant to embody, an energy that you're meant to embody, a presence, almost like this queen energy. And this judgment call, like you're meant to be the judgment of like, why would I give to you everything that I am when you haven't shown me the reason why? It just feels like you're meant to kind of reverse the energy here. you gave too much of your power in the past, and not just in whatever this connection is, but in past love connections. You've given too much of yourself. This is going to be an opportunity, a chance for you to prove to yourself that you are no longer who you were, and that you realize that you have the power to just flow, to just be, to exist in this love energy. Come what may, let God itself show you, manifest in the form of this divine counterpart, come forward to you and give you the reason why. I love you so much. If you feel called for a personal love connection to dive a little deeper, I offer readings through my website. You can click the link in my bio. Okay, I was just shown the vision of somebody changing course to head your way. It's like somebody who, like, this is like a royal figure, so like a prince or a king, who is on their way, like they were headed somewhere. And like a decision you just made or a choice you just made, it's almost like called this person to you. It's really interesting. I think I'm going to channel instead of use the cards here, but on the bottom of the deck, we do have the 7 of Cups. So, like I said, this person changed course to come to you. It's almost like they received a distress signal. So maybe you're waiting for, or like you're feeling some type of way about love, about yourself. Oh my God. Okay. I'm being shown you putting a candle in a window. And it's like all of a sudden they see the candle in the window and it's like they are headed your way. Like they know they have to come to you. So maybe lighting a candle is very significant for you as kind of like this symbol of calling to your divine masculine. Whatever you just did though, changed the course of your relationship, of your, like with yourself, with another person, of your love life. There is somebody who is headed your way. And they are very determined to get to you is also what I'm being told. They might even be preparing for a battle of some sort. This is like a grown version of someone is what I'm being told. This is like it's an older person is what I'm being told. So maybe it's somebody who's older than you. This is somebody who's well established. For some reason, they're very connected to your energy. Like I'm seeing images of you playing through this person. So maybe this is somebody from your past. This could really be somebody that you've previously let go of. It's like they never noticed you before is what's coming through. Or they never saw you the way that they see you now. Like they never thought about you the way that they think now. But something that you just changed within yourself and within your energy is drawing this person to you. I have my lover's card out on my desk. Light a candle if you're able to. This is going to connect you to your divine masculine, your divine counterpart. Also something about you stepping forward to be seen. So maybe posting more on social media, maybe just taking better care of yourself, really pouring into yourself right now. This person, it's like they can only see you when your candle is lit. So take that as it resonates.